is happening, people? So this afternoon, as you can see behind me, got the old bow out. Temperature's going to drop this afternoon down to about 38 degrees, and we're going to slide in and hunt a stand I've been hoping to get to hunt for the last 3 weeks. Got some film of sow and some cubs coming in to this bait pile. Actually, I hope they don't show up this afternoon. Don't want to have to deal with the sow, bear, and cubs around the stand, but got a decent buck using this stand. We've got a great movement period this afternoon from about 4:15 to about 6:30. So unless the wind or the deer bust me with their nose, a little concerned about that. I don't have the greatest wind direction to hunt this afternoon, but anyway, we're going to slide in and hunt this stand since it is going to be cooler. And I got to put my safety harness on. I'm going to do that here, and then I'm going to hop in the old pickup truck and I'm going to drive down to the stand, and that way I'll slip all the way in. Safety harness is already on, and I don't have to do a lot of clinking and moving around once I get up the tree into the stand. Hey, always remember, wear that safety harness if you're up off the ground, and protect yourself. Come home safe. Anyway, let's get this thing put on. I'm walking along around the edge of this field, and I'm walking at a pretty good clip. But when I enter those woods, that's where the deer and the turkey live. I'm not gonna just walk. I'm gonna slip. I'm gonna take my time, and I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna be cautious. I call it slipping through the woods. You have to become like one of the animals in the woods and behave like an animal, because you are a predator. Let's go. Hey guys, so back in the shop, and well, I got some good light so we can end this video out. We had 3 more deer came in a little bit before 5, and they came across the creek, and I guess they smelt me. The wind was whirling. It blowed from the west, it blowed from the north, blowed from northeast, and I think they got a whiff of us, and I glimpsed them, looked like a doe and 2 fawns easing up the side of the ridge. But we did get that doe, and that fawn come in, that little nubby buck. I don't know, maybe we can see that on the camera. Came in, stayed in about 30 minutes eating, and finally they moved off. I elected not to take the doe. That stand's a really good stand. I've got some decent bucks on camera coming to that stand, and so I elected not to shoot a deer. That was the first day we had, first afternoon we had the opportunity to hunt that stand, and I knew if I shot that deer and then we were back in tonight tracking and leaving blood trails and walking around and dragging deer through the woods, it just kind of blow the stand up. So, but man, she slipped in, and I never heard her. Evidently, she had done gotten a little whiff of me and came in at high alert, and she slipped right up on me. I waited till they moved out on the bait pile. So if you're ever bow hunting, you have a deer move in, no need to really stand up quickly. And so I let them move out, and they got to actually eating in the bait pile, got calmed down. Then I was able to stand up or move around, turn the camera on. We enjoy the outdoors. We enjoy hunting. Be safe. Put your safety harness on. Enjoy being out there, but come home safe to your family. Hey, I enjoy getting outside. And remember, it's a wild life. And I'll see you in the field.